So today I'm going to shoot a video about Nissan Wingroad Y11. As you can see, it's a car that it looks good, very spacious. From the exterior you can see the car, it looks prime, very great car for this one. You can go around the car, you can see the really nice headlights. Very nice headlights. Just look at the side mirrors, they resemble the wing, so look very good. That's the top of the vehicle. Let's look at its interior. So as you can see here, we have the steering wheel, we have the speed. This is a RPM speed meter. On this other one we have the speedometer. It's getting up to 180. On the other extreme end we have what we call the gauges, that the temperature gauge and the fuel gauge. Looking here, we have the window opener, it's tender. You can see the side mirrors are currently closed, you can open them from there. This one is for adjustment of the side mirrors. Looking at this, we have the horns here, where you do the beep. If we can look at this, we have the air conditioners, where you can regulate the fan, the air inside here. We have the stereo. Sony, this one has been modified, put to fit the stations, expanded to take the stations, local stations. So we have the gear lever, P, reverse, neutral, up to low, that is one. If you look at this end, we have the, can put some space here. Looking at this other end, we have, can put some space. Then we have the rear view mirror here, the rear view mirror. And so this car is quite comfortable, with very nice seats, very comfortable. And if you look at this place where we have some oranges, this is called the cup holders. So this one has been modified to put a phone holder and a Bluetooth. If you look at this one, these are the lights. There are three. We have another one here. Looking at the back, we have the back passenger seats, very spacious. And back there we have the trunk. So it's a very good, spacious vehicle. We can look at the front. So this is the engine. So this vehicle uses a Nissan twin cam 16 valve, as you can see. The engine is QG15. Very nice engine, very powerful. Looking at that, we have the conditioner, the battery. We have the coolant. There's a brake fluids. That's it's a power steering, the brake fluid there. We have the alternator, basically it's a power engine, very nice. Look at the trunk of this vehicle. So this is the trunk, the boots. As you can see, it's very spacious. Can carry a few things there. So basically that's it about this vehicle, the Nissan Wingroad Y11 22 model.